I just created a quick movie to show you how to set up product combinations. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to the product that we just set up, which was the Style 702 product. And when you do a search for that, you'll see a few different options. This is the original one that you guys set up, and then the new product example that I sent you a test for, or I'm sorry, the preview code for. So I'm just going to go ahead and take you into this product, the Style 702 Deep Empire copy, and this will allow me to kind of show you the structure, and then I'll take you to this product right above it, the Style 702 Deep Empire 3, just to show you how to go in and add some of these combinations. So the first process, I'm just going to kind of explain the setup, and then I'll take you through the process of actually creating some of these. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And then we'll start by clicking on the Options tab here. And then under Options, you'll see that we have two options set up. There's a Select Lamp Size. So we started with, click to select, and then we have all of our sizes, top 6, top 7, top 8, through top 11. And then we've added a few of the fabrics. Haven't, of course, added all of them. So this is something that you'd want to do. So we added the entire A group. And then you'll see that we have a slot for B group, C group, D group, E group, and F group. So if you wanted to add an option, what you would do is you would click New Selection, and then you would just type something in, just type in some dummy text here. And then you can actually move this one into the proper order. Like say, for example, if you wanted this in C group. And then you would just continue to add your additional fabrics here. And we really do suggest having less than 150 because it's just going to make the pull down menu extremely long. I would maybe just focus on some of your important fabrics, but you can, if you choose to add all of them, you can certainly do that, of course. The cart will support that. It's just going to take a lot of time. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this example fabric here. And then I'm going to take you to this new area here that says combinations. And like I mentioned in my previous email to you, a combination simply takes one of the options, like for example, top 6, the lamp size, and then you combine it with a fabric style, like this one, for example, and then you set a price. And I'll show you how these combinations look. You'll notice that we have 101 combinations, and this is based off of one, the size of the lamp, and then the fabric. So you'll notice that we're just taking our price here, which the base price is $44.95, and then we're adding the cost of the fabric depending on the size. So this is a good example here. You'll see that this is the top 11, and it's using the pure bone silk fabric, and the price is $109.95, and this is based off of the 702 products that you guys had originally set up. So these prices are accurate. But basically, when you create these combinations, what you do is you click New Combo, and then you select a size, and then you select a fabric. I'm not going to do that in this example because I just don't want to mess up the list of items that we've added here. So I'm going to go back to the previous products that we set up, and then I'll take you through the process of adding combinations. So I'm going to leave the page. Don't want to save anything because I didn't really do anything. So I want to select this one here, and then you'd click on Options, and then you'll notice that we have the same base, the lamp sizes and then the base fabrics that we had set up. And again, to add more fabrics, you would just click on New Selection, move it into the order. The price modifier, all of these are set to 0 because the price is actually being set by the combination. So what you would do is you'd click on Combinations, and then we'll add a new combination. So I'm going to add the top 6, and then it's just a matter of selecting a fabric. And then if the price is different, you would go in here and modify the price. So all of the fabric A options are included at that base price. So we can just go ahead and add a combination, and you would just continue to add combinations here. So you have to select the size and then the actual fabric, and then you just click OK, and you'll see that these combinations are being added here. So, and you would just go through all of these options. So you'll see that it's pretty simple. What you do is you select the size and then the fabric option. And then you'll notice that all of these images that are being uploaded are the default images, which is based off of this picture here. So under Options and Combinations, you'll see an option to change the picture. So you'll notice that with the example product that we had the fabric swatches in there. So you would just change every one of these, and then it's going to provide you with a preview on your computer for the images that you actually want to upload, and that's what you'd want to use. So you'd want to change all these different thumbnail options. So again, adding combinations, very simple. It's just going to be a bit time consuming because what you have to do is you have to select the size, the fabric, and then you click OK. And then once you start getting into the different fabric classes, like for example, we'll add a 6, and then we'll add, let's see here, fabric C is an additional $5. So what you would do is you would just change the price to $49.95, and then click OK. And that's how you modify the price. So you'll see that this product combination is set to $49.95. So again, product combinations, what you're doing is you're simply taking, 2 options and combining them as one product. 2 options would be, size, and then the fabric, and then you just click OK. And then the only other thing that you need to do is just change all the thumbnails. Excuse me. And that's why it's really important that the fabric options are manageable, and that's why we were suggesting having less and maybe building it up over time if you're getting a lot of requests from clients for other fabrics. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to clarify any questions. Thanks again.